Hello students, welcome to Auja classes Smartness in Education. Here we are going to learn the next concept of pair of linear equations in two variables, that is the formulation and methods of solution of the equations. When we talk about the formulation of linear equations or any equation, then on the basis of the statements given to us, we make the statement in the form of mathematics or in the form of variables or literals. So, here also we are going to see some problems, some general problems which will be formed or which will be formulated in mathematical terms. So, let us see. The first problem is that Akhila went to a fair in her village. There she wanted to enjoy rides on the giant wheel and play hoopla. Hoopla is a game in which a ring is thrown on the items. So, further it is said that the number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. Let us see. Let the number of rides on the giant wheel is x and number of times hoopla played is y. So, according to the question, the number of times she played hoopla is half the number of rides she is having on the giant wheel. So, according to the question, it is said that the number of times she played hoopla, that means y is half the number of rides, half of x. So, we can form the equation as 2y equals to x, or we can write it as x minus 2y equals to 0. This is the first equation, first linear equation. Now again, it is said that, so again from the question, if each ride costs rupees 3, since she is having x number of rides, so she will spend 3x rupees on each ride. So I am writing that amount spent on rides equals to 3x. Since one ride takes rupees 3, so x number of rides will take 3x rupees. And a game of hoopla costs rupees 4. So amount spent on hoopla will be 4y, since y number of times she has played hoopla. So total expenditure is 3x plus 4y. But according to the question, it is given that You find out the number of rides she had and how many times she played hoopla, provided she spent rupees 20. So we can write 3x plus 4y equals to 20. This is the second equation, and equation 1 and second can be solved by any method of solving linear equations in two variables. So this is the formulation of the problem. Let us see one more problem based upon the formulation of pair of linear equations in two variables. Here the question says Romila went to a stationery shop and purchased two pencils and three erasers for rupees 9. Let us say, or let us assume that the cost of one pencil be x and one eraser be y. Let the cost of one pencil equals to rupees x and the cost of one eraser equals to rupees y. So Romila has spent 9 rupees, and since she had purchased, so we can write according to the question, 2x plus 3y equals to 9. Since the cost of one pencil is 2 rupees, so the cost of one pencil is rupees x and she is buying two pencils, so the cost of two pencils will be 2x, and since she is buying y number of erasers, three number of erasers, and cost of one eraser is y rupees, so the amount spent on erasers is 3y and total amount spent by her is 9 rupees. Now her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers with Romila, and she also bought four pencils of the same kind and six erasers of the same kind which Romila has bought for rupees 18. So again, according to the question, this is the case for Sonali. She is buying four pencils and cost of one pencil is rupees x. So the amount spent by her is 4x, and she is buying six erasers and cost of one eraser is y rupees. So amount spent by her on erasers is 6y and total amount spent by her is 18 rupees. So this is the second equation and this was the first equation. So we have formulated the linear equations in two variables. Now these can be solved by any of the methods. Let us see the solution of linear equations in two variables, that means methods which we are going to apply to solve those problems. First is the graphical method, in which we will use a graph paper for solution of linear equations in two variables. And second will be algebraic methods, that will be the substitution method, elimination, and cross multiplication method. which we are going to learn in the further lessons one by one respectively. So this was the basic concept of formulation of linear equations in two variables. Thank you. For more educational videos of schools and college level, like, share and subscribe to Ahuja classes on YouTube. Thank you.